How to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching or won't launch on your PC problem. So if you want to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching or won't launch on your PC problem, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your Windows icon and then go with the power. And from here you just need simply go and restart. After restarting, the problem might be fixed. After your system reboots, try launching the game again. If the issue is still there, then you just need to simply go with the next step. You need to open the search bar and then type in Task Manager. After that, click on Task Manager. And here you need to look for Ghost Recon Wildlands. And once you find it, you just need to simply go and end the task. Right click on it, end the task. And if you find it under your background processes, you need to right click on it and go and end the task. And it still doesn't work, then the next step is to run the game as an administrator. To do that, you need to right click on the game and then you will have run as administrator option. Click on run as administrator and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply right click again and then go with properties. And under properties, you'll get this kind of interface. In my case, I don't have the game, but I've taken CapCut as an example. So go with the same process. After selecting your properties, you need to go with the compatibility tab. Check the first button, which is run this program as in compatibility mode 4, and then click on run this program as an administrator and go with apply. Then click on OK, and your problem might be fixed. And the last thing you can do is just simply go and update your Windows. Press your Windows and I keys together and then go with update and security and go and update your Windows. And after updating, the problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.